and welcome to SkyTech TV, your number one online TV show. And today I'm gonna show you how you can remove background of a picture within seconds. The first thing to do is to go to your computer, your Chrome browser, and type remove.bg. Once you have clicked on the link remove.bg, come here and it will have an option of uploading the image. So now you upload the image that you wanted to be the background to be removed. So here I have an image of a cat. So what I do, I upload it to my Chrome website, then I drop it, and once I drop it, it prepares the upload and it uploads the image. Once as you can see, it is uploading. Once it is uploaded, now you can see my image has been removed background. Previously, if I can show you the real image, you can see that it has a background, and the background is a bit nature. It is a bit greenish, and once you open the background, as you can see, this is my original image, and once we upload it on BG, you can see that it has been the background has been removed, and now you have the option that you can download the image. So you can now download your image. Now it is downloaded, and once you open the image, you can see, let me try opening the image. So the image is here. You can see that it has no background. This process, I've done it within 5 seconds. So therefore, if you need to remove a background image on a picture, just follow the tutorial. Thank you for watching. This is SkyTech TV. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment below, and till next time, thank you.